What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the quality for your YouTube video and actually change it into HD quality. Now this isn't available for all videos, it all depends on the creator, but I will say most creators have an option for HD in their videos. If it's not showing you this already, sometimes your phone will just default to the lower quality to save data, but you could actually change that and go right back to the HD setting by doing this quick simple step. Now I'm on mobile, but this works for PC as well. So obviously you're just going to head over to YouTube and then go to the video that you want to turn to HD quality. I just chose this random video by one of my favorite YouTubers, Van City Van Life. If you don't know him, be sure to check him out. And as I'm in this video, just got a quick ad here that I'm going to skip through. And what you're going to do is you're going to tap on the screen of the video, and then it's going to bring up a few different options here. You're going to hit the three little dots in the upper right hand corner. They're displayed vertically. And then right at the top of this menu, once you hit the three dots, you're going to see an option for quality. You're going to hit on the quality option, and then it's going to take you to all sorts of different things that you could add for the quality and change it to HD. Now it has these three different ones. Mine's on auto right now. It's probably going to be on auto for you, which that explains why it's not HD. But you could click the higher picture quality, the data saver, or the advanced. You could play around with those sections, but that's not what we're here. We're here for HD, and you're going to click on the higher picture quality, and that is going to give you the highest picture quality possible, and it's the highest one that the creator uploaded. So if it doesn't go to HD yet, it is because the creator did not upload the video in HD. You might want to comment to let them know. Also, if the video was just uploaded within the last hour, sometimes YouTube takes a little bit to process and it might not have this option right away. So don't be so quick to assume that it's not in HD, and maybe come back in an hour if you really want to see it in the highest of qualities. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you had any questions on how this works, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Da 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 da.